It is another beautiful day here, and I welcome you once again to Menalize TV. And this time around, we are looking at multiples of 9 trick, and this is part 4. And so when you are given numbers to multiply in 9, how best can we go about it? This is what we want to look at this morning. Now, before we go to the multiples of 9 trick, let's have a look at it. What we have to do is, first we will try to multiply numbers with 10, and you realize that it is easy to multiply numbers with 10. For instance, when you have 9 times 10, so what we have to do is you multiply the 1 here with the 9, and you'll be getting 9. Then you introduce the 0 there, it becomes 90. So the same way, when you have 23 times 10, the easiest way to go about it is you multiply the 1 with the 23, you get the same 23. Then the 0 there, you bring it here, or you introduce the 0 there. So 23 times 10 will give you 230. Now let's go to the multiples of 9 trick that we have discovered as well. Now when you have 9 times 4, this 9 times 4, what we have to do is you multiply the 4 with the 10, becomes 10 times 4. So 10 times 4, then we deduct the 4 that we are using to multiply the 9 with from the 10, so minus 4. So 10 times 4 will give you 40. Then we deduct 4 from the 40. So 4 from 40, you get 36, which means that 9 times 4 will give you 36. Another example, we have 9 times 8. So instead of you multiplying the 8 with the 9, we are rather going to multiply the 8 with 10. So you have 10 times 8, then you subtract 8 from it. So 10 times 8 will give you 80. Then the 80 minus the 8, you are going to get 72. Which means that 9 times 8 will give you 72 as the answer. Example 3. When we have 9 times, let's say 5. So instead of you using the 9 to multiply the 5, we use the 10 instead of 9, because it's easy to multiply with 10 than 9. So you have 10 times 5, and you deduct 5 from it again, minus 5. So 10 times 5 will give you 50, and then 50 minus the 5 there, you get 45, which means that 9 times 5, you are going to get 45. Example 4, we have 9 times 7. So 9 times 7, what we have to do is we multiply the 7 with 10 instead of 9. So you get 10 times 7. Then you deduct another 7 from it. So you are going to get 10 times 7 is 70. Then 70 minus 7, you are going to get 63. The last but not the least, number 5. When you have 9 times 2. So instead of you multiplying the 9 with the 2, you make it 10 times 2 and deduct 2 from it. So that means you are going to get 20 minus 2. That will give you 18, which means that 9 times 2 is 18. Remember to subscribe to my channel, Menalize TV, for more updates. Thank you so much.